gets real right now. Serra football, baby. SFG. We in here. Roll to state. Roll to state.
You know we gonna go in that Oklahoma, me and you, right? Yeah, we gonna go.
We gonna get banged, young dude.
I'm gonna run you straight to your home. I'm gonna run you straight. I'm gonna call you. What you gonna do?
This is a dangerous area right here. You come in.
Yeah, we vital.
You know what it is.
Yeah, you got me? That's it. You'll be great. And I like it. Whip that thing back. There you go.
here. Look, he here. I want you going here. Look, come on, Jay. Look like you do.
Oh, please.
I need Blake.
Get him off the ball.
Work. It's hard to do every time. It's hard to take every play and bust your ass. That's why it is. That's why when you get a ring, you freaking cherish that damn thing. Because it's hard to do. All right? So remember that. You're here. You're at Serra. Okay? We win games, but it's not given to us just because that's our name. We got to put that work in. All right? Just like every class before you, you got to do the same. Does everyone understand? All right, hey, let's go have a hell of a day tomorrow. Come on, up top, let's go. Now we do